Oh no. Oh no, I forgot to change this. Oh no. Oh no. JavaScript memory slash perf. Yeah. That's not what I meant to say. Whatever. We're close enough. We're close enough, okay? I haven't even been live. I haven't even been live for a minute yet. I'm a negative minute live. Hey, how's it going? Yeah. Well, okay, so it's been like a week, so I screwed it up. Do you know Dadbot? I haven't ever played with Dadbot. I have no reason to. Prime, hey, how's it going? Cancel. Hootie. Yeah, we got some hooties on, okay? And I'm like see-through. Look at that. You like that? You like it? I know you like it.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too, baby. Do I have the music on? Yeah, I do. Okay, good. All right. Whoa, that's not, no, whoa. I was just so confident. I just said there's no way that it's anything other than correct. Hold on, sorry. I didn't really go like prepared on this one.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
There we go. Send now. Make it happen. Make it happen. Put it down. Prime finally got out of finals. This is my first stream. Nice. I'm a little tired still after the Vercel event. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm hurting. Attempt to get your opinion on this. What do you think about the data collection of all these ChatGPT systems? I haven't really thought much about it, to tell you the truth. Nice. I like to hear that. I like to hear it. Do you use any tmugs plugins? No, I just script against it. That's what Sessionizer is. So this thing, that's just a script against it, right? That's all it is. You know what I mean?
Welcome to
Hey,
Costco.
Sleepy Weasel, thank you. How did you grow your stream? Gain a following on Twitter, YouTube first? All sorts of different things. There's no simple answer. You know what I mean? There's no
Welcome to Costco.
There's no silver bullet. Nice
you.
Green tea. Thank you. It is a green tea. Jack, thank you. It's back when I used to work at look at that, Talk Nerdy to Me. It's where I used to talk. It's what is it? Workiva. It used to be known as Web Filings. Yeah. Okay, I'm a little tired today. I can feel it still. The problem is I got 2 hours of sleep. I absolutely yanked Sessionizer. Sessionizer is my greatest script of all time. It really is. I'm gonna make myself a tit smaller. Hey, thank you, Jismal. I appreciate that. You should make a t-shirt. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Talk seg faulty to me. No. Brian, I was at the Vercel point and disappointed you didn't ask about chat stack support. Even Rails got called out. I know. I know. I heard that. Hey, BMK, how you doing? It was good to meet you. I recognize the name BMK. Just a tit. Yeah. Time in the saddle. I get it. You forgot the S on it. Just a tits. Time in the saddle. You can tell me go stack framework. Wait. What? What? No. Hey, good morning. Hey, thank you, Fortniter. Crank some 90s. Yeah. Crank some 90s. That's what I read. Fortniter. Good morning, guys. Let's crank some 90s. I'm off for 4 hours. I get it. Hey, thank you. Let's get this bread. What does bread stand for? I don't even got anything. Why are there more sweaters coming? When are there more sweaters coming?
Welcome
There's not going to be.
Costco.
We got something else coming. You ever code in BASIC? Yeah, I did. Well, Q basic. Sorry, not basic. Crank Dad Soldier Boy. Do some benchmarks with Bun, too. No.
Welcome to
That's
Costco.
a completely different thing.
Whoa,
what's happening here? What is happening here? Oh, hey. Whoa. All of a sudden, I saw this thing kind of go wild.
Welcome to Costco.
Naxo Dev, thank you very much. Attentive colon. Dude, I haven't seen you in a
Welcome
bit.
to Costco.
Hey, how you doing?
I love you.
You doing good? It's been a moment since I've last chatted with you. It's a name I haven't seen in a while. Thank you. Howdy. Good. Okay, nice. I like to hear that. Proflactico, how you doing?
Welcome
yeah,
to
been busy.
Costco.
Have you been?
I love
Have you
you.
been going to Brazil? Have you taken any Brazilian trips? Sea Line Nerd. Thank you. How do you balance all of this? I don't know. Stuff, things. I make it happen. You know what I mean? Hey,
Welcome to
Buffreddle.
Costco.
I still can't believe
I
you
love
subscribed to me, Buffreddle. You're like a real engineer. When I see someone named Buffreddle, I know they're a real engineer. You mean Argentina? Oh my goodness, I am such a rookie, aren't I? Ah, damn. Damn, I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna get raked now. Hey, first time say yeah. Oh hey, nice.
Welcome to Costco.
Hey,
I
DC
love you.
Baller, thank you very much. Proflactico, thank you very much for the 1 year. Hype Train achieved. Attentive Colon coming in. Naxo Dev, thank you very much for the Twitch Prime 3 months. Hello. Well, hello. Panda Coder coming in with the Terrify. Much love from Brazil. We also laugh like ja 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 ja. Oh no, sorry, you don't. You laugh like this. That's how I imagine Brazilians laugh. Okay, it's not my fault. That's what you guys taught me that. Okay, I didn't teach you that. You guys taught me. Please save me from the confusion, FUD, and hot storm of React server components in Next.js. Oh, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'm the only person. I swear. Okay, so Maple Leaf, I think you're on my page, but I don't know. I personally am very worried about this whole future. I'm not convinced it's like a
Welcome to Costco.
that it's great.
I love
Okay,
you.
I'm just saying. There's a
Welcome
lot
to
of
Costco.
magic. Okay, there's a
love you.
lot of magic, and I'm worried about
Welcome
it.
to Costco.
It's been 84 years.
I love
Hell
you.
yeah, it has been. I personally am worried about it. I'm not
give it to
convinced
me
it's
at
going to be the greatest. I know some people are really leaning in on it. I think Theo made fun of choosing to use Rust as a full-time thing while promoting server components, like all in the same breath, which I laughed. I mean, I got a good kick out of that one because it's like it's new tech. We're in a new world right now. Brave new JavaScript world. Flavio, thank you very much. Vite, you can vite these nuts. Eat at Campagny. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Brand new Twitch Prime. Let's go. Buffretto again. Thank you. By the way, Buffretto, core NeoVim contributor, everybody. Find Buffretto. Tell him thank you. He's a very smart guy. When writing performance-aware code, is hotspots profiling even useful? Yes, it can be. When you goof up and you don't realize what's slow or fast, hotspotting is really good.
I love you.
Hotspotting, or shall I say it this way? Just generating a flame graph or looking at memory layouts or doing any of those things, that's really important. Are you gonna? Yes, I am right now, Tech. Anyways, it's just really important to see where your program's spending its time. So profiling, I'm always in. That's like a
Welcome
good
to
thing we should all
Costco.
do. But
I love you.
to assume that you can solve your performance problems by only looking at a flame graph is just silly, right? Because sometimes you're in a local optima and you can't make it better without like rewriting it. There just is these things that happen. Like there's just no way around it. You know what I mean? I was making a project in Next.js 13. I had to rewrite it all into Node.js from scratch. Why? Because Next stacked real bad for a few moments. Things can be a little bit tricksy. You know, it's hard. Like anytime, what I think one hard thing that Vercel needs to figure out is that I think for Vercel to do really, really well and all of this whole world to do really, really well, more than just Vercel needs to be a champion of it. Because vendor lock, I think a lot of people in general are just afraid of vendor lock. Right? So when you code and you code against not only like a new concept, but a new concept that runs in one place, I think that it's tricksy. You know what I mean? Or it doesn't run. I mean, you can make it run on your own. It's just each time it gets a little bit harder. You know what I mean? Enflame, thank you very much for the brand new Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. I've been curious about graph databases. I have never played with any actual graph. Where's the neck? I don't have a neck, dog. Matsy, thank you very much for the Twitch Prime. Bald bearded builder. That's every man's future. I hope you know that. Every man's future is bald, but with a beard. The Liver coming out with 5 gifties. Thank you very much. My Kinesis 360 just arrived, and I went back to Vim after a while. I'm going to be so productive. Yeah. Yes. Where did Maple Leaf ever respond? Mapes my grapes. Oh, yeah. I think the paradigm of RC is really powerful, but I do have qualms about the current implementation. Yeah, I'm on your team where the thing is that I told this to my boss, and I still actually think I'm right. I think I may have been off by 1 year, but I told him this in 2019. I said all of Netflix will be server-side rendered and delivered to clients by 2025. I think I'm wrong on that. I think it's probably 2026. But I fully believe that this whole notion of a client will go away.
This goes out to the
Like, I believe that. I'm just not sure if React is the right model for it. You know, McBridem, thank you very much for that tier 1. I just don't think it's the right model because the thing is that once you get beyond toy examples and you get into hundreds of thousands of people, you can't afford React. You start to lose your ability to afford it. Your voice sounds like Michael Scott impersonating a German.
Welcome to Costco.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah. He's Michael Scott.
Welcome
German.
to Costco.
I'm a German man.
I love you.
Doing Michael. Oh, wait, hold on. German's more like this. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to
Puts,
Costco.
it puts code on
you.
screen. Yeah. Yeah. Am I doing good German? Is this a good German time? Is this German time? Is this German sounding? Am I doing a little German? No. Okay. Damn. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Here. Let's do this one. I know I was doing more Austrian. Fine. Here we go. We'll just go back to my tried and true one, which of course is the farmlands of Norway, which is, am I doing good accent? Am I doing a good accent? Thank you, McBride. I appreciate that. Tech savvy. Let's go. Yes, we're gonna do that. Thank you. We are gonna do it. Rafi. Yeah, dude. I'm telling you, I'm talking about the farmlands. No, not Borat. Borat's a little different. But when you're doing farmlands of Norway, it's a very specific accent, and once you hear it, you can never unhear. Griff, thank you for the 10 gifted subs. The Rug Bear, fully committed to NeoVim. Nice, loving it. Pirate Muncher, let's go. I'm not even sure what that means, to tell you the truth. John Coates, thank you very much. Hype Train complete. Let's do that. By the way, do you accept GitHub sponsorships? Aren't they 100%? Yes, they do. They do. I do have GitHub sponsorships. The problem is that I don't really interact with GitHub. Honestly, I can't.
Welcome to Costco.
Alien, thank you very much.
I love you.
Show some mate. Today's Saturday. Today's the only day of the week I get to drink my coffee. It's coffee day, people. It's coffee. It's coffee day. Hey, thanks for crossing 80,000 subs for me, or 80,000 followies. I appreciate that. Let's go. Alien, thank you for that Twitch Prime, though. I appreciate it. You look a lot like John Stones. I've been known to touch a stone or two. Watching your videos helped me with my burnout. Thank you. Hey, no problem. Does programming naked actually improve your JavaScript skills? No. I would never suggest that. Been watching you a lot on YouTube. Nice. Thank you. Hey, no problem. It is free entertainment. For those that want to keep it free, it's free. Started to learn Vim mostly thanks to your streams. Nice. Awesome. All right, people. So we're going to do some stuff. We're going to talk about
Costco.
left pad today.
You.
Thank you very much, Demorzi. So I did create a small little server, but I realized what I need on this server is I think I need Fastify, because I may want to add compression. Maybe I'll just deflate everything, assuming you're going to be deflating it. You know what I mean? Let's see, deflate. What is, let's see, node, HTTP, deflate, deflate example. The thing is I don't want to use a framework because everyone complains about the speed of a framework. You know what I mean? Everyone's always like, oh, here's the reason why it's bad, right? And so I'm trying to avoid that. You know what I mean? Headers accept encoding. Okay, so there we go. So I got to get some zlib in here. So I'm trying to avoid that. Yes, we're doing actual just JavaScript right now. You know, okay. And I know people find that weird, but we're doing just the JavaScript. GitHub sponsors done. Oh, hey, I appreciate that, Live. I appreciate that a lot. I think you'll need left pad and is integer. I'm already using that. No Brotli. No Brotli. My guess is if you don't use a framework, people will say that's why it's bad. No, because the code's it's all reviewable. Someone will say it's bad, but it's all reviewable, right? It's all right here. It's within, what is it? How many lines is it? It's 28 lines. If you can't read 28 lines, you're a dummy. Just saying. You're a dummy. I wish TypeScript was good. I really do, but it's not. TypeScript is good, but it's not great. I think the problem is people want TypeScript to be everything. Okay, here's the real thing: is you just want TypeScript to actually be a type system. It's not. It's a linter. Like if you just accept it as a linter, it's better. You should. Well, so hold on. It's okay to not use a framework. The thing is it's actually really good for you to understand how they work. Then undo it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. Only 900 viewers. Yeah. I hate TypeScript. Yeah, the problem is TypeScript lies really hard. And so you got to be careful. TypeScript is God. No, it's not. It's not even close to. It's not even like an archangel. It's not even like a lower angel. Oh, crap. I just spilled coffee on myself. You know, it just lies. And that's okay. Is Mojo promising? No idea. Understanding the fundies. Then you can know how. Yeah, exactly. You should understand the fundies. TypeScript is just a plugin to your editor. And at the end of the day, it's just JS. And you're prone to the same runtime. Oh, crap. It helps clear up a lot of runtime stuff. I don't like doing just JavaScript, but I wanted to control exactly what's happening. Right? I want to have perfect and absolute control over everything. So that's why we're doing it this way. So let's make sure we deflate. I guess I should probably... Does request come with headers? Let's see. What is headers? What is it? What is headers? What is headers? Headers is... Let's see. Request.get headers will print something like this. Nice. Okay, so what comes out of here? Duplicate headers in the raw, handles in the following way. Okay.
Welcome to Costco.
Okay.
I love you.
That's good to know. So I'm going to go down here.
Welcome to Costco.
I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go like this. Const accept encoding.
Welcome to
Isn't it
Costco.
accept encoding?
I love you.
Is that right? Do they too lowercase everything? I wonder if they too lowercase everything for you. Headers are lowercase. Nice. Headers are lowercase. Awesome. Right here. So they lowercase everything for you, which is probably the right thing to do. You know what I mean? TypeScript doesn't even have a specific integer type. Well, that's because, I mean, again, TypeScript, come on, you know why. Don't shut up. Killian the German. Thank you very much. I appreciate that one. The Ordinary Arena. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Tell us the name of the new color theme. It's Tokyo, baby. It's Tokyo. Pastanini. Thank you for the brand new 11 months or 2 months of Twitch Prime. Ever thought about becoming a teacher full time? No. What is the best way of starting with Rust? By doing it. I now have an official front-end master's course on it, but you don't have to use my front-end master's course, though I think it's great. Do you like Tailwind? Yeah. I have no problem with Tailwind. People that get all pissed off about Tailwind are just weak. That's all there is to it. Let gzip equals false if accept encoding includes gzip. Yep, there we go. That actually should be good enough. Can I just do that? Because that works for both arrays and not arrays, right? I think that just works. Okay, I think that's actually just going to work. Right? I think that's just working. TypeScript is just stepping towards assembly script, is it? Can we get your course pirated somewhere? Asking for a friend.
I love you.
If I knew that you pirated my course, I'd probably just ban you. That feels kind of mean. You know what I mean? I've never been a big fan of pirating. Just because, you know, behind every pirate or behind every pirated piece of anything is somebody spending hundreds, if not thousands of hours making something quality. So it's annoying. Just don't watch it. Just go read the Rust book. You don't have to watch it. I even have free courses. You don't even have to do anything. Just don't be a dick. That's all. Hey, been watching your content for a while today and watched a video about your story. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. No opinions on Scala. Behind every pirate is booty. That's true. Yeah, only pirate Adobe products. Is there free resources? Yeah, literally the Rust book. Thank you, Mary Jo. Mary Jo, let's go. And Concurrency, thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Babe. I have fallen off. Apparently, weekend streams are not my time, so I never do weekend streams. You guys are getting an unusual weekend stream, so this is very unusual. So there you go. All right, here we go. So let's go like this. Let's have a let out equals nothing for now. Let's just go like this. Let out equals, oh my goodness. Do that. Undefined. And then we're going to go like this. Let's go.
Welcome to Costco.
What do we want? Let's go like this. Out equals this. Bam. Ooh, we do want this. Yeah, we do want this. So I do need to know. Okay, hold on. Let's go like this. Let buffer equals get. I'm just gonna go like this. Buffer pool get. We'll always just use one. We'll just always have one just in case. Actually, we'll go like this. Undefined. And I'm gonna go here. We'll have a buffer. We'll do that. Else we'll go like this. And then we'll go out equals this. If let's see, if out. If, what is it? Accept encoding. If gzip, then we need to do something with gzip. Ooh, content encoding. Okay. I like it. This should work out because I should be passing in a string, right? Does this take a string? Let's see. Input type. What is an input type? Can I jump to definition? What is an input type in this thing? A string array buffer. Okay, so I may have to go. I wonder if I can just pass in, because I have a uint8 array. So I wonder if it just works with a uint8 array. It might not work with a uint8 array. I don't think it works with uint8 array. So let's go.
Welcome to
Let's
Costco.
see. Let's go buffer or out.
Welcome to
Ooh,
Costco.
that's the wrong kind of or. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. New uint8 array. Sorry, I don't have TypeScript, so I have no idea how this works. Let's go like this. Const a equals this. Do that. A.buffer, right? Yeah, there it is. There it is. Got him. Got him first try. Hey, Skill Bob and R Popa. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Just finished your TS Devs course. Oh, Rust for TS Devs. Thank you. Yeah, I thought it was pretty good. uint8 array. Is there manual GC Prime has been working on? No, this is not the manual GC thing I've been working on. The thing I've been working on is pretty slick. I won't be able to talk about it for a while, but maybe one day. I saw a glimpse of some of your JavaScript benchmarks. It looked like you weren't running your test functions a few times to warm them up. I run them. No, I run them about 100,000 times. And for when I do real benchmarks, I don't do micro benchmarks. You know what I mean? It's so hard to program without TS. Yes, it does. Popa means butt in Russian, by the way. You call me a butt? You calling me a butt? Thank you for following me, Russian butt. Appreciate that, Russian butt. You know. All right, so there we go. So we got a little bit of this. We do a little bit of that. Bam, 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 bam. It all works out. We'll go like this. End buffer function and go like this. Let's rename this thing. Let's see. Call this thing outer buffer, right? Just because we're going to have to do a lot with outer buffer. Do all that. If this thing exists, if this is right here, if outer buffer, put it back into the pool. There we go. Fantastic. So everything looks good. We got it all done. Else, let's just go. Let's hit it with an else statement because everybody loves an else statement. It should just co-pilot for me, right? And do this. Content plane, res, boom, boom, boom. Yep. Okay. That's what I thought. Usually these ones, this is where Copilot does a good job, right? Because I'm just doing logical boilerplate. Popa is not but in Russian. Okay, well, what the hell? What the hell? Did I get lied to? Why are you guys lying to me? I'm out here just being a good guy, and you guys are lying to me. Hey, how's it going? You doing good? Popa was a South Park episode. Oh, trolled. Everyone loves an else. Everyone loves an else. I speak Russian. It is not. If your if doesn't have an else, you are probably a junior dev.
Welcome to Costco.
Bam.
I love you.
That is going to ruffle some feathers. That is the most feather ruffling tweet I think I've done in a long time. Like that is this. I just love doing that kind of stuff. You know, when people get super upset, people get so upset when you say that kind of shit. Oh my goodness. They just lose their mind. Come on. You're getting canceled. I'm hoping. Cancel me, daddy. All right. That's the whole point of my Twitter, is just to get canceled. All right, there we go. So this should all be working, and this should work with what's it called? With the content reduction, all that kind of stuff. Let's just make sure this actually works. We'll go like this: test.js, and let's go like this. What is it? Oh shoot!
That scared me.
Jeez! Oh, that scared me. Okay, hey, Ratuis. Coming in with the 20 gifted subs, many appreciations. I want you to know, first 20 in the channel, and you come in like that. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I think I actually peed a little bit just then. I think I just literally peed just a touch. I can't even believe it. Deserved for that tweet. Thank you. Here's the deal. If you don't follow me on Twitter, if you do follow me on Twitter, if you expect me to tweet anything other than this, like, you're gonna be disappointed, okay? If you're waiting for me to give the most greatest advice ever on Twitter, I don't, okay? Ratuis is Button Russian. Oh, your name's Button Russian. I didn't know that. He's become the audio clip. I am the audio clip. At least console in your else, yeah. You know what I mean? I only do bullshit takes. Isn't there like a, let's see. What do they use? They use request. Request has been deprecated years ago. Request has gzip decompression built in. You can still decompress manually on the method below. I thought that got deprecated. I thought, didn't it? Request. Isn't there like fetch at this point? Require fetch. Is fetch like a thing? No. Is there like a? Okay. Is I swear request is deprecated. Yeah. I think it's deprecated. Hold on. Let's go like this. Let's see. HTTP request node. There we go. Request is deprecated. That's what I thought. What's the one that they want? Is it just HTTP? Can I just use HTTP? Let's see. Request. Okay, so there is a request here. And okay. Can you just make a request? Request.
Welcome to
Hey,
Costco.
thank you. Node fetch.
I love you.
Is it node fetch? Oh gosh, node fetch. It's not node fetch, right? Is it node fetch? I don't think it's node. Okay, maybe it is. Okay, maybe it is. Async function run. Do one of those. Go fetch. Right. Right. Const. I don't know. Result equals this. Oh wait, I'm just gonna make assumption that I'm correct. Right. 42068. Super disappointing. All right. So this should error if I've done this right. Console.log. This should error if I've done this right. Node last. There we go. Port's already in use. I'm already running the port. All right, rock on. Node source test. Yeah, okay. See, it wasn't found. I told you. Okay, I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Node made fetch happen.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
All right, people. All right, I'm just gonna download a request library. There has to be just a request library, right? Ooh, I like this song. HTTP request. What the hell is this thing called?
Welcome to
5
Costco.
ways.
I
Why?
love you.
Just Geek for Geeks. Isn't Geek for Geeks almost exclusively the worst website in the universe? Just use fetch. Well, where the hell's fetch? Node fetch. Do I have to like download it? Where's node fetch? Give me node fetch. I want node fetch. I want fetch. It's global now. Well, shit. Is it really? Damn it, it is. I literally used it before. I'm such a dummy. All right, here we go. Node test.js. Here we go. Really? Well, I mean, I guess you're supposed to run it. You know what I mean? What? Is everything okay? All right, perfect. Failed. Shoot. Okay. Yes, there we go. 400. Yes, 400, boys. We got it. Okay, we're on track. In the garden. There we go. Don't be in the garden, baby. All right, do one of those. Now let's go like this. Name equals buffer. Stir equals foo. Len equals 5. Let's go. I love this song, by the way. This is one of my favorite songs. There we go. Status okay. Let's go. 200. Let's go. Where's the result? Where's the body? Where is it? What the hell happened? Do I have to await the body? I have to await the body, don't I? Result text, right? Padded, boys! Look at that pad! Let's go! No, that's how you do it. You pad that son of a bitch, okay? You pad that son of a B, okay? So here's the real question. I gotta go in here, and I cannot remember how to do a curl with headers. I feel like I should know how to do this. I should just be able to go http://000:42068. Very disappointing. Go in here and go like that. Wait, did I actually do that? Yep, there we go. And go curl, hit it with one of those. Ooh, we don't even have to do that. All right, so this should just do, okay, perfect. I think it's capital H, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's capital H, right? I think it's a capital H, right? And I think you just go like this, content or accept encoding, gzip. Did I do that right? Did I do that right? Is that right? I think so. Let's just make sure. Oh, actually go like this. Let's just make sure and go, you suck, no, you suck, no. Let's go like this. Console.log gzipped. Let's just making sure I'm gzipping this son of a b. You know what I mean? Gzip. Let's just make sure I'm doing it. Okay, I just want to like prove it to myself I'm actually doing it. Let's go like this. Original is out.length. This one is buffer.byte length. Boom. Let's do that. Does that look good? My man's t-shirt is doing some of that bit. Oh, you know it. You know it. I'm a living XOR. All right, so let's go. Let's go 5,000. Nice. Nice. First try. All right. Wait, what? Did I kill it? Are we dead? No, we're not dead. Wait, where's the server at? ls of -I 42068. Kill 13378. Ooh, it was too cool. Too cool for this world. It was actually too cool for this world. It could not help itself. All right, there we go. Go here, curl that. Gzip didn't, that's not impressive. Can we agree that that's not like an impressive amount of it's literally white space. It's all white space and the word foo. That's not impressive. That's not, I'm not like, ooh, wow, look at how cool that is. Zlib, that hoe? Dude, I know, is there a better one? Foo is tricky. I think you need the gzip-9. How many units of gzip do I need to do? Here comes, boys. Are you ready? Ooh, it's a good one. LZMA.
Welcome
Dude,
to Costco.
no, I'm not doing any LZ ham university study one. Okay, we're gonna use a basic one. Okay, Broadly reread it in Rust. Bro, what? Welcome to Costco. Don't pee on your hands. Kinesis. Hell yeah, brother. We're gonna pee on these hands so good. Hey, by the way, thank you very much, Radius. Oh my goodness, you wait, whoa. Ratius. Hey, Ratius, thank you. Don't worry. As someone with an unpronounceable name, appreciate that, Radius. Is it supposed to be like Radius? In my head, I was thinking, I bet you this is like a play on Radius. I'm not getting any of these things. Whatever's happening right here, I'm not seeing it right here. I don't have the internet. Guys, what do? I don't have internets. I don't have the internet right now. What should I do? Joke's on you, I have the internet. Apparently really slow internet. Apparently my internet, I bet you I'm logged on to my house Wi-Fi.
Bad feelings into good
I bet you that's what's happening right now. I'm
logged
logged on to the house Wi-Fi. Hey, Stefan, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Stefan Bowman giving out a community sub. Oh, CJ. Okay,
Welcome
CJ. Thank you very much for that tier 1, 16 months. Cora Mock, let's go. Brand new Twitch Prime. Cold Sun 99. Hell yeah. Stuven Gaming, brand new Twitch Prime. So many of you need to be in the bathroom. The last was so strong for your network. I know. Took me down. Yekke. I've joined the Saturday Coffee Club. I like the Saturday Coffee Club. It's a good club. 1 day a week, baby. All right, let's go. So, this isn't what I was hoping to see. You know what I mean? I was hoping to see something a little bit better than that. Because if I go up to 10,000, right?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Apparently, zlib also needs to warm up, okay? So there's like a warm-up phase to zlib, okay? It had to warm it up. It had to warm it up. Yeah, sitting on a ball helps me with my posture quite a bit. It's learning. It's becoming faster and smoother. All right. Anyways, so this is great. So that means I should be able to create a nice little client here and do some more aggressive testing, okay? All right, so let's go into here. Let's go back into here. Let's go up to here. Let's do what everybody loves to do. Docker file. Create, here we go. This is for you, Copilot. Create a Node.js Docker file that runs las.js. Boom. Take it. Give it to me, daddy. Give it to me, daddy. Make it I bet you my internet cutting out screwed up Copilot. Gosh. Gosh. Here we'll go like this. Copilot. Is there like a restart? Restart? Is there like a restart? Okay. I really thought I had something. I can't even read chat. I don't know what's happening to my internet right now, but it's sucking. Hold on. Prime, it's too early to be horny while coding. I know. I'm sorry. Here. I gotta do something really quickly. I knew it. I was on the wrong Wi-Fi. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Make it happen! Give me a lass. Oh my goodness, why? Yes, of course we're gonna do that. How the hell else? Oh my goodness, how else do you run this? Oh my goodness, you are just the worst Docker file from. Thank you, thank you. Give it to me. Yes, yes, do it. Oh, here, I'll help you. Package.js, yes, thank you. Run. Let's see, hold on. Let's see, go work dir equals. Oh man, this is gonna bother me.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Work dir app. There we go. Always absolute. Run npmi. Right there we go. Ooh, production. Is that like a thing? Can I just hit it with the production? Can I just productionize that? Welcome to Costco. Wash your hands. No more white space. Broadly. All right, hold on. Here we go. I think we're back in. Let's do this. Don't use Node. Don't use the Node latest. Well, you're right. I don't want latest. I want Node 20, please. Node 20 is nice. Node 20 is very, very speedy. I don't think that's 20. Somehow I doubt that is 20. Is there like a 20 around here? Oh my goodness. Node 20 Docker. I doubt that 12 is 20. Just give me an Alpine really quickly. There we go. 20 Alpine 316. Node 316, and Node so loved the world that they sent their only process to execute code on a server. All right, Node that. There we go. I think that's right. Let's see, are you working on JavaScript today? Yeah, Node 360, baby. There we go. All right, hold on. I gotta do that last part again. Sorry, guys. I know that you guys like new music, but I don't. I want to be able to listen to the music I want to listen to, okay? After every line with Copilot writes, you hit enter. It will suggest the next line. It'll just suggest it. Well, thank you very much. I know how Copilot works. In fact, I'm fairly good. How do you capitalize the whole word? How do you capitalize the whole word? Are you telling me you don't use TypeScript? I mean, Vim? You hit the old... do I got it on? Okay, hold on. You go over here. You open up this. You hit him with the screen key. You jump back here. You bring this up. You hit him with the old G, capital U, I, W. Select everything inside of the word and make it big, okay? Everybody knows that, okay? Or I can go here and go G-U-I-W. Make it small, or do that. Oh yeah, I forgot I overrode GU on accident. I overrode GU and I have a stupid thing. I didn't constrain the remap to a specific buffer type like a dummy. You know what I mean? Yes, you could also go like this. You could also just highlight and big U, or highlight and little u, or highlight and tilde, but tilde's kind of wild because tilde, you know, tilde is flop case. So I can flop them cases, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness, I got off. Oh, I'm getting off. Wait, that sounds wrong. Oh, that's hard to type. Oh, that is some tricky pinky time, okay? Because both my... You know what I mean? Because I gotta go... Because okay, so for those that don't know, is I shift properly. So if I shift properly, that means I have to go shift, right? Shift over here for that V, or shift for the V over here. See that? So I'm shifting on this side for the V over here. Bam. But then I gotta hit him with the tilde, which is shift on this side, and then right there. So that means I have to go shift, 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 shift. Like, gotta go back and forth. Very, very different. That's a very tricky thing to type. Shit, lithium! That scared me. Yes, I'm one of the few psychopaths that properly shift. What's your thoughts on moving shift to thumb cluster? I did do it for a while. I actually want to get back. It's tricky, is it? It's tricky. Hit the shift, all right. It's tricky. Yeah, it's tricky. What? All right, back in. All right, we're going back in. Working with this fingering techniques. Yeah, it's tough. All right, so let's go back in here. So there we go. So we have Node. We copy the package. We hit the workdir. We hit the npm run. All right, so now that we have that, we got to copium all of the source application into the app source. There we go. We do this, and then just we got to expose ourselves, right? Expose, what is it, 42068? If I'm not mistaken, is that what it is? Do we want anything else? I don't think we need technically anything else, people. I caught that one. I caught that one so good, Lithium. You tried to come in here and tried to you tried to tickle my feelings, but I did not let you do that. Okay, I was ready for it. I did try to come in here. I know you tried, but you failed. All right, so there we go. So we got the expose, right? I love exposing myself. And then let's just hit him with a node last, boys. But I'm going to hit him with the proper full path as prescribed by somebody else. There we go. Hide the fact that I use Copilot, because pretty much I wrote this thing in F Copilot. All right, so this looks good. So let's go like this. Let's hit him with the Docker build suck it last. That might come across offensive now that I think about it out loud. It was funny when I said it in my head, but it's less funny now because, well, it's it's just different now. It hits differently. You know what I mean? It hits differently. And let's go like this. We got to build it right here. Oh, gosh. I love that last song. All right, let's go. Let's go, Node. Let's go. Bring it in, Node. Bring me down. NPMI. There we go. Dorker run. Let's see. RM, RF myself. Let's see. What the hell is the thing called? It's P42068, right? And then hit him with the old-fashioned IT. And then what do we call it? Suck it last. Driver failed programming external connectivity on endpoint magical Jang. Oh, yeah. Good old-fashioned magical Jang. Who hasn't had a little magical Jang in their pocket, okay? Am I right or am I right? Okay? Am I right or am I right? Please. Let's go like this. Let's hit him. Oh! Dang it! Okay, Lithium, you got me on that one, but there you go. You've won. There's no need to do any more. You got me, okay? You missed that one. I missed that one. You caught me. Red-handed, okay? So stop it. This is the club matrix in programming. It is. All right. So we got these things. We got the Dorker running. We hit him with the curl just to test it out. Well, boom, we got that one. It looks good. We're accidentally console logging, though. That's going to destroy all results. So let's apparently be in insert mode. Get out of insert mode. You know, I've kind of used to being in insert mode, you know what I mean? There we go. We jump in there, and everything else looks good. There's only one console log on listening. And let's go like this. Okay, my pocket is ringing. Do one of those, turn it off, Let's go. Turn it off, bruh. So I was using Apache Bench, but I feel like Apache Bench doesn't give me the statistics I want, right? Apache Bench is good if you're just like hammering an endpoint, but it's not that great if you're really trying to see a distribution properly. Is there like an extended Apache Bench thing? Right? Is there like an extended one of these? I want to know. Does anyone know? Clueless. Is there like a sweet like extended stats business file containing data to post? No. Ooh, that's cool. I like that a lot though. I like that a lot. Try Jameter. Autocannon. Clueless. You're clueless, you stupid. How much do you bench? It's not about how much I bench, it's how much I do while benching. You know what I mean? How many reps, okay? Because right now, I'm pretty confident I can hit 40 push-ups straight, no breaks. Proper form. Everything. Anyone want to bet against that? Anyone want to anyone want to do a little gamble? I don't think I can do 50. Nah, I believe it for real. Go hypertrophy or go home. You don't need to do that. It is good just to train. Humans are more designed for long amounts of exercise, not really heavy little bit. I can even do one push-up. You got to be, well, unless if you have like a physical barrier from doing it, you should be able to do many push-ups. Let's see, I do think you can do 50. I don't think I can do 50. If your push-ups are not close to your words per minute, you're a script kiddie. I like that. All right, let's keep on going. Push-ups are the new co-op gambling. Let's go. Oh, no. I will stop doing JS for a week if you do it. No. I hit 50 and my arms felt like they were going to fall off. Yeah, 50 is a lot. Look at athletes who run for a long time versus athletes who sprint. Which one do you want to hang with? Well, I don't. So running a long time is not something I want to get into. By the way, I have a goal this year. Everyone want to hear my goal this year? Everyone, you should set goals. Here's my goal: a 2-minute and 10-second 800. It's my goal. That's a good goal.
That scared me.
Emotional. Okay. Emotional. 800 freedom units? Hell yeah, freedom units. They're slightly over 3 feet. It's slightly over 3 feet. All right, you got 4 kids. You should be able to do it in 2 minutes. Dude, no chance. You don't think so? I'm 36 years old. I'm 36 years old, turning 37. And I want to be able to run. I would love to be able to run a sub 2-minute 800, but I think that's just like a pipe dream at this age. But I think that I could run a 210. I think I could run a 210. That's about 5 miles. Yeah, I think so in freedom units. Yeah, you look 36 to the max. Thoughts on Kafka? No. I mean, Kafka's great. We use it like wild. Kafka's great if you have a... The thing about Kafka is that it's great if you need it. I think that a lot of people could probably get by just using something like Amazon's SNS and SQS, right? Because you probably don't have like a whole bunch of events going into some data pipeline in which you're doing hydration and all this and... You know what I mean? An 800 is 800 meters. Yeah. Yes, I have one near my house. You know what I mean? Thank you very much, by the way. I appreciate it.
I love you.
Zunjin. Appreciate that. Zunjin. 30 seconds off the world record. Yeah, but 30 seconds is a long time. I should run more, but unfortunately, I'm addicted to things. Yeah, you got to get unaddicted to things. Anyways, let's see. Are there more options than 37 available when at 36? No. Too easy? No way. What is Kafka even used for? Events. Yeah, that's true. That's fine. But that's what I'm saying is most people don't need to go full Kafka. When you go Kafka, you have a lot you have to manage and set up. Most people are dealing with like thousands to 10,000s to 100,000 events. You can keep it pretty straightforward. Once you're in like the millions upon millions of events, you should probably go full Kafka. You know what I mean? You should probably start thinking about your transition, right? I just hit the gym and did 100 push-ups plus ran a mile plus 100 squats. Oh, nice. The name? Yeah, it helps when you're an athletic programmer. It does. Kafka is a sad guy who named it, yeah. Alternatives, Kafka. Bro thinks he's prime. Amazon Video abandoned microservices and went monolith. I think it's really interesting. I don't necessarily disagree. Microservices might have been a zero interest rate phenomena. Was that too hot? Is that too hot of a take? Is that like way too hot of a take? Did you react to the Prime article switch from monolith with AWS to real? All right. Anyways. So, what am I thinking here? 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 What do I want to do? 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 You know what I really like doing because it's just as fun? It's not because it's like something you need to do, but because I just enjoy doing it, is I like to go in here, go to here, go like this. I like to go like this. Cargo add Tokyo. Yeah, hit it with the Tokyo. Go cargo add clap. You got to have the clap. Like any good programmer has the clap. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. You should know what I mean by this point. Okay, so now that I have that, I can hit this with an async function, hit in here and go Tokyo, main, do one of those, go LSP restart, hit him with one of those, and then go like this, struct, let's see, config. I always forget how to use clap, so I just have to do one of these where it's like derive this, parser, which is there. There we go. And now let's go like this. Let's go host. Pub host string, bam, hit it. Hit me with the clap, boys. Hit me with the clap, boys. Hit me with the clap, boys. Oh, that's not what we want. Get him with one of those. Let's go here, take that, yap that, paste that. Why is that? Why? There's no syntax there? Oh, there is a syntax there. Port, hit that. I just like to make everything at U size because I'm lazy. You know what I mean? I believe you have to go value T for this one and go 42068, if I'm not mistaken. Hit him with one of those. Yap that one, paste that one, and go in here. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Parallel, hit him with one of those. Default value, let's go 8. Let's hit him with one of those and paste it down here. And what's the last one? Request count. Let's do 100,000. Yeah. Count. There we go. Does that make sense? All right, so that should all be good. I think we have a good thing going on here. Just chatting. Yeah, we're just chatting. Damn, I missed a month pushing for 12. Hell yeah, let's go 12, baby. Let's go 12, baby. If you don't, feels weird. Thank you. So nice. So good. Yes. Actually, I use Rust, by the way. Yeah, I know. I'm really worried with new Vercel move. Even though I love their products, I think they'll be building a good cage of DX where you will be so tied and won't be able to go back because the engineering cost. Yeah. So, I mean, it is building a moat. There is definitely a moat going on there, but I do see the worry about extremely tied platform products. Like, I do understand that. Can you please bring back the on-screen keyboard presses? Yeah, got it for you. You like that? Did you like how I whipped that out? Probably the fastest you've ever seen a man whip out key presses. Right? All right, so there we go. So we have these things. So used a TypeScript there. Config, bam, hit him with one of those. And then like this, let semaphore. Remember, if you see a semaphore, you have to ask yourself, what is that semaphore? Well, now you know. Always hit him with an arc, right? Always hit your semaphore with an arc. Never hit a JK. I'm not a JKer. Bring in an arc. Hit that. Zoom it in. Go for this. In 0 to config. Yep. Count. There we go. We're looking good. We're feeling good. We're looking good. Yo. Hey, baby. Do you type? Do I type with full hand? You can see the images. You can see the images of me doing it. Whoa, was that Ben Holmes? Honestly, using Next.js has more lock-in than using Vercel. Interesting. Luke DDC, thank you very much for the brand new Tier 1. I genuinely appreciate... All right, Luke DDC, here's the deal. I want you to show me what those double Ds actually mean, okay? Because right now, you're just coming into the startup expecting some sort of, MacBook Pro fills coffee? Well, guess what? That's not how the startup works, okay? It's not how it works. We don't get you some delicious, sweet, and savory Phil's coffee. Okay? There's mate in the lounge. Deal with it. Yeah. Hey, Prime. Hey, chat. Hey, double D's nuts. Damn, got him. All right, so I'm going to go like this. Tokyo spawn. Hit him with one of these. We got to hit all the handles because we do got to keep track of those handles. Vec new. I think we can go like this. Oh, my goodness. I think we can go with capacity, and then we can go capacity, of course, is going to be config account. Hit him with one of those. Bam, 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 bam. Tokyo spawn, handles, dot, push. Hit him with one of those. Mute that bad boy because we know what we're doing around here, okay? And then we're going to close our terminal with our mouse. Take a breath, take a breather, hit that Tmux A, zoom it back in, we're back in. Okay, whew, whew. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta assert authority, right? Your Vim's acting up, people are out there doing shit, so you know what you do? You say no, no, and you just close it with your mouse. I know. This keyboard looks cursed. Is it good for productivity or for both? Why is it good for productivity? That. Do you see that? I'm using one of my most useful items on my body, one of my 10 fingers, and I'm using it. Whereas when you're typing on a regular keyboard, you just don't use like 20% of your hand. What? Right? Hey, thank you, Funky. I appreciate that. Anyways, all right, so we have handles. We're going to push this thing in. We got to do something right here. We'll get done with that thing. We're going to jump over here. We're going to go cargo, add, request. There we go. Add request. Jump in here. We're going to have to create a let client equals, go in here and go LSP restart because it doesn't have the request client. There we go. New client dot. I think that's all we need to do with that, right? We got that one. I think we can cheap clone it too. Let client equals client clone. I think we can do it here. Semaphore. Okay, stop with that one. Equals sem. I forget if you need. I really hope Rust at this point can do this because I hate this. Damn it, it can't do it. I hate the fact that I have to go like this. Let semaphore out here. Actually, I guess I can do it out here. Doesn't really bother me out there. There we go. Beautiful. And so now I should be able to hit that semaphore in there. Acquire, wait, unwrap, forget what. Permit equals this. It's not acquire dog. It's acquire owned. Acquire owned. Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You know what I mean? And then we're going to go like this. Client equals, there we go. This should be good enough. And then we need to go up here, go down here. I'm going to yap that, paste that, go in here, and go name. We need the name. We're going to go like this. Left pad Travi. Now, let's give Ember it. Ember deserves it. Ember's is better. You know what I mean? Guys know something how to map caps lock to escape? Yeah, you can Google that. It's actually request these nuts. Absolutely. Should I get it for carpal tunnel? That's why I got it. Sorry, tech savvy Travi. Get owned. Get owned, Mr. Power of Two stringing. What is a starting point you recommend to get into NeoVim? I know. The best starting point I've used personally is that. So that's how I open it up in any project. That's like my favorite starting point. I usually don't open it up to a file. I open it up just to the folder, and then I fuzzy find the way I want. You know what I mean? Starting point. Does Dvorak make a difference on this keyboard? No, don't use Dvorak. Got him. All right, there we go. Go here and go string. Hit him with one of those. It doesn't match. I know it doesn't match. All right, so we got string, left pad Ember. We also need, let's go like this. Let's go foo. Name, stir. Let's see, do we have any other S's? Nope. And then we need one more, which is going to be length, which is a little bit different. Value T, go in here, CA double quotes, and go 100. That's fine. That's fine with me. Use size. There we go. Oh, yeah. That looks good. Go in here. Go let URL. Go over here. Cargo add URL. This is a speed run, by the way, people. We are speed running one of the greatest achievements ever. Static URL equals box leak. Box new format. Hit him with one of those. F all the way over to here. Go into here. Drop that thing because we technically don't need it. And go like this. Name equals that. Let's see. Len equals that. And stir equals that. Boom. This is looking good. Hit him with one of those. Config dot. Can I do this? I can go like this. Let I can go like this. Config equals config and go. I think this is going to work. Name, name, length, string. What else do we want? We want something else. We want host, port. Missing. Oh, you want them all? I just don't want to have to keep using the I don't want to have to keep doing all of them. There you go. I don't want to have to keep saying the word config. You know what I mean? The word config is annoying. Port, name, len, stir.
I love you.
There we go. You know what I'm talking about? I watched the last algorithms course you ever need. It was pretty good. You did a great job there. Yeah, it's for free. He managed to compress foo with spaces to less than 2 kilobytes. Yeah, it just took a moment, right? All right, so there we go. Yeah, we don't need any of this stuff. I know it's like, how does this all work? Let's go like this. I'll go right here and I shouldn't even need to clone it, do I? I can just pass it in because it's a static. Yeah, it's static. Okay, right? Rust URL is not satisfied. Really? I wonder why cloning works that way. I don't know why cloning works that way. I don't even get it. What are we currently watching here? We're watching me program something. Just hopping in. What is he building? Oh, we're building a little test client. There we go. We're going to do one of these things. We're going to unwait wrap. I guess, do we even need this? I don't even think we need it, do we? Let's go like this. Yep. Then we need to go up here and go like this. Let success equals atomic. Where are you? Usize. I just like using usize. Do you guys like that? Fails. Do you guys like doing that? I like it. You know what I mean? I like
Welcome
that.
To Costco.
Success, right? Success dot fetch add one order, not sequester. Relaxed. There we go. Relax me, daddy. Error. Wait, no, it's fails. Right? Am I right on this? What is this? Oh, move occurred. Oh, you did a move occurring. Okay. Here we go. Let's go like this. Let's go equals. Give him the old fighting one-eye Kirby. Toss it in there. Hit him with an equals. Go arc new /1. Bam. Okay. Oopsies. I have one extra one in there. That was bad of me. All right. So there we go. We got that one. Oh my goodness. Stop that. Success equals success me daddy. Hit him with that one. Success fails. G. Got it. It's looking good. We're moving, people. 36-year-old man just eyeballing. We're always eyeballing. Yeah, you like that? The forbidden Kirby tech. Everyone knows the one-eye Kirby is allowed because it's ad hoc query foo. Clone. This is a good place to clone. That's why they're arcs. Arcs are meant to be cloned. Okay? All of these are meant to be cloned. They're intentionally clonable items. This is an arc. This is a lightweight clone client that actually uses some sort of arc type thing underneath the hood for requesting. These are all good things. These are exactly the reason you clone. Thank you, Weiss Kaser. Clone these nuts. Absolutely. All right, so now that we have that, let's see. We got permit. We own the permit. We do this thing, and then we have to drop the permit. Boom. And is there anything else? Let's see. What's your problem? Found usize. Oh. All right, so there we go. We have everything we need. We also want more, though. We do want more. It's a speed run, but a speed run of what exactly? Creating a little requesting client that's going to take care of some statistics for us. You know what I mean? Let times equals. What do we want to do here? I feel like. What do we want to do? We want something. I just don't know what that something is. Hey, thank you, RWX Rob, coming in. 78. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Shout it out, RWX Rob, right there. Something went wrong during the shout out. I don't know what happened. Apparently, I'm a little soft. Okay, apparently I'm a little raid. No, wait, that's not it. Definitely. Shout out RWX Rob. Apparently something went wrong when I tried to shout it out. I mean, you know what I mean? Do you recommend learning Rust for a guy that used to code advanced chatbots and TypeScript and want to learn? I want to learn Rust for the experience. You should learn because you're excited. You know what I mean? That's like your reason to do it. You know what I mean? You should do it because you want to do it. Because here's the deal. Like learning any new language, it always starts with this desire, right? This
Welcome
thing
to
where you're just
Costco.
like, I really want to
love
do
you.
it. But here's the deal. After about 2 weeks of learning something new, you hit all these roadblocks, roadblock after roadblock. It's hard. It's not fun. And here's the thing is that when you have that mentality of, I want to do this because I am really, really, really inspired to do it, you're going to push through all the roadblocks. But if you just listen to me and I'm like, I love Rust, and you're like, well, someone loves Rust, I should learn how to love Rust too. And then you find out that Rust is, I don't know what this means, by the way, but you find out that loving Rust is actually really, really hard. It doesn't love you back. You're not going to be motivated to actually go anywhere with it, right? You're actually going to be just stuck in this thing where you're just like feeling defeated. You feel like you hate programming. Don't do it because some influencer told you to do it. Do it because you love it and you want to learn how to do it. And if you're motivated sufficiently, you're going to go far with it. If you're not motivated sufficiently, you're not going to go anywhere, okay? You're not going to be motivated because I like it. That doesn't get you anywhere. You're going to be motivated because you like it. You want to do it. Stop asking me what you should do. Do what you want to do. Now you can ask me, what do you think is the fastest way to get hired? I can give you advice on what languages I think is great there, but I can't tell you what you want. Okay? Have I tried Emacs? Yeah, I spent about 6 months in Emacs. You know what I mean? Nice, I'm 35% Norwegian. Yeah, I'm above 50, but not enough. Do you speak Norwegian? No, but I can do a great Norwegian accent. Are you Chinese? Yes. How'd you know? How'd you know? How did you know? Isn't builder pattern kind of sus? No, I like builder pattern. Builder pattern's great. I do it all the time. Anyways, okay, so times, let's go like this. What should we use for the times? Because I don't want to do something that sucks. I don't want to use a mutex, but I need a way to be able to like grab timings. How should we do this? What is a good way to do this? Because I don't want to like lock a bunch of crap up. You know what I mean? I guess I have to? Do I really have to do this? What is people's favorite way to do that? How would I keep track of a series of times that I have to use a mutex, don't I? I could use a channel, but channel's a mutex. It's a lockless queue. It's still pretty slow. I know what you mean. Yeah, okay. I know it's a mutex. Okay. Can I go in unsafe mode? Can I do unsafe mode? Yeah, let's go unsafe mode. Because here's the deal. You don't, we know. I've never went unsafe. I've never unsafed in my life. Let's unsafe. Leave the condom on. No. Condom off, boys.
Welcome to Costco.
I don't think I've ever said
you.
that phrase in my entire lifetime, but I just said it right now. I think I just got done saying the phrase condom off, boys, and that will never happen again. Raw dog it. Going in raw, yeah. So here's my idea. We know a lot about what's going on here, okay? So I can go like this. I'm going to go like this. Here's the index that we're at, right? On top of that, I'm going to have this. Let mute timings equals, let's see, vec with capacity, and then let's go count, right? So there we go. So we've created the size of all of our timings right here. Yeah, it's going to use a lot of memory. Who cares? You do 100,000, 1 million different timings.
Welcome to
whatever,
Costco.
right? I assume that's fine to create 1 million timings, right? You know what I mean? We already know everything about it. We don't. Yeah. This is good. I know exactly. You don't technically need, like, this is the thing about safe programming is sometimes you can go unsafe and it's okay. This is why Zig, I think, is going to be very interesting. I do want to get good enough at Zig that I can just do this exact same thing in Zig with little to no thought. It's not a ring buffer. It's not quite a ring buffer. It's just a buffer, right? You know what I mean? So I've never done unsafe mode, but I think it shouldn't be too hard. I assume I just go like this, right? Unsafe and hit it in here. So now how do I turn this thing into a, turn timings into a mutable pointer.
Welcome
right?
to Costco.
I don't know how to do a mutable pointer, right? Can I do that? What is I don't even know what this is. A mute pointer? Is there like a pointer mute? Okay, how do I do that? I've never done anything. Mutable pointer Rust unsafe. Star mute vec usize, huh? Let's see. Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. Found a slice. Okay, hold on. What is this thing supposed to be? Let's see. Found a mutable reference. We don't want a mutable reference. We want a raw dogged pointer. Can I just go like that? What the hell? Okay, hold on. I've never done anything with this. Timings as mute t. Oh, timings. Okay, hold on. Let's go like this.
Welcome to Costco.
Equals
I love
timings
you.
as what'd you call it? Star mute t.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Hold on. As star mute t. Can I yeah. Non-print, yes. Invalid cast. Okay. As pointer, as mute pointer. Returns an unsafeable mutable pointer, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's see. Cannot cast. Here. Okay. Right? So, okay, here. Sorry. Here, we'll go use size, right? All right, so we got this, right? So there we go. Regex. Is that the answer? As mute use size. All right, so there we go. Chetsy says let pointer mute. Thanks, Chat Chippity. Are you a gamer? No. Well, sort of. UB is approaching, guys. Yeah, I know, but it's not. Timings. Can I go timings I equals let's go elapsed duration, right? Or no, is that called elapsed? No, it's called we'll go elapsed. I think that's the correct term for it. And then go like this. Let start equals Tokyo time or that time instant. There we go. Cannot index into a mutable vec. Why not? Damn it. I can't index into it. I can't index into it. All right, let duration equals this. All right, so right, this should be a U64, right? As micros, as U size. Oh, it's U64, bro. Shut up. I knew it sounded familiar. It's a pointer. Increment it. I can increment it. Okay. Just got your music playlist. This is just the brand new. Are you a VTuber? Absolutely. Thanks. You started my Rust journey. At this point, it creates... Okay, so... It's a pointer to T, not to vec T. Well, it's... Isn't that it? I mean, that's what it thinks it is. Returns... Hold on, how do I use this? Oh, look at this. As mute pointer. Okay, so we got an X pointer. And let's see, initialize elements via raw pointers. Oh, so I'd go timings equals. Ooh, this one's hard. That's not what I wanted. That's not necessarily what I wanted. Right? Can I go like this? Hold on. Can I go like this? Can I do a mute pointer and go ¿Por qué, Maria? That was weird. Can I go get I can unwrap it. And then can I let's see. Can I as pointer this thing? Can I get pointer? Is there like any pointer? I want to get a position into it. Right? I don't want an unsafe cell. Let's see, as mute pointer. Ooh, yeah, I don't think you can do that, right? Because you can't go as something. Okay, as mute pointer. Okay, so I could go like this, as mute pointer, apparently, right? And then I can do an add, and I can go timings, add, duration. Yeah, that should actually work. I think that should be fine. With my extensive understanding of how this works, that should be fine first try. Okay, I would just like to say that I'm probably correct. And then we're going to go like this. Holy cow, I gotta pee. What is it? Future util? Future util, cargo, add futures. It's futures, isn't it? Then I go like this. LSP restart. And it's futures, future, join all, probably, is my guess. Oh, actually, I think join all, you don't even know, wait. If I'm not mistaken, right? Is that what you do? Use of mood value timings. Oh, do I? Ooh, damn. Okay. So I got to be able to have a reference to it. I think I need an arc. Do I have to arc? Okay, I got to pee. I got to pee again. I drank too much water. Oh my goodness. All right, sorry, had to get out of there quickly. All right, we had to go fast. This is, by the way, this is why I love. This is why I think I could love Zig, is because this is
Welcome to Costco.
This is not a hard problem in Zig. Get the pointer earlier. Okay, I could do that. Yeah. Let here we'll call like this timings vec and just go like this. Timings equals timings vec as mutable pointer. But the problem is that when I do this, let's see. What do you mean? Timings or can I not do that? Oh yeah, you're right. All right, so then I should be able to go like this. Let timings equals timings clone, right? And then I can just delete that. I don't think I'm doing this right. I think my definition's a little off. I think my definition of what I'm trying to do is a little incorrect here. You know what I mean? All right, how do they do this? X pointer. Oh, you don't need to clone it. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, so they don't even give it a type. So they weren't even giving it a type, but when I don't give it a type, I get no errors. Instead, I get this one. The type of this value must be known to call a method on a raw pointer on it. So what is the thing that comes out of here? It's just a mute t, but what the hell is t? T is a vec, right? Is it not? Is it not a vec? Oh no, it's a u size. Is it a u size? Right? It's a u size because it's pointing to the actual elements of the thing, right? Right? That's what it is. That's what it is, right? Oh, I did. I just set the type. It's a u size. Because this thing's a u size, it inferred that this thing's a u size. Right. Yes. I think I'm right on this one. I think I'm going to be right. Okay, hold on. Futures cannot be sent between threads safely. Okay, who's sending these futures? Which futures? Who's sending which future where? Who's sending what future, which one where? Let timings equals timings clone. Okay. On which one? From mute. Oh. Damn, it doesn't implement send. It doesn't implement send. Think about it. Think about it. See, you realize how much easier this would be just as... fine. Okay, so what someone is trying to say is go like this. Go, is use unsafe cell. Can I just use cell at this point? Are you telling me to create a whole thing? Can I just use cell? Right? Can I just use cell at this point? Because I'm just like replacing the cell with the thing, right? I don't want to use it though, because I don't want to add extra processing time. I want this thing to be as fast as possible. This should be easy to do. This is again why I want to learn Zig, because this is one of those things that there's no reason to have this overhead sometimes. I don't understand how to do it unsafely. You know what I mean? I'd have to go read about all those fun things, which I don't know how to do. All right, so that means if I do that, of course, that also means you have to have an arc, right? You have to now arc this thing. You know what I mean? Clone, there we go. Just hop in the stream. First time catching you, let's see, live as a soy dev. We're doing something. Hold on, I know what you mean. You know what I mean. I know it will do what I want, but it doesn't do what I want. You know what I mean? Like, I get that it does what I want. So does cell, though, because cell is just like a flag replacer. Right? That's all you got to do. Let's see. Cannot borrow. Oh, okay. Okay. Stop being annoying. There we go. Push it all in there. Mute. Put it in there. Let timings equals arc new timings. Yep, there we go. Put it in there. F that. Put it there. Push it here. Go down here. It needs this thing. Take this. Timings dot get I unwrap set duration. Can I do that? What's not send? What is not send at this point? Cell, but I'm not cell. I have timings. Timings is an arc vec. Is the vec not sendable? Is the vec not sendable? Using arc with regular cell will have more overhead though. Well, you have to arc this bad boy. I thought I could send that. Could I not send this? I think I'm gonna end up mutexing this thing. Not that I want to. I think that it's gonna just end up being a mutex. Yeah. Well, I can't use an unsafe cell. Or unless if you're saying unsafe cell, the entire vector. But then the problem about unsafe cell is that you have to clone out, clone in. You don't use cell with a complex value. You'd use something like a you use a mutex at that point. Right? Yeah. I think at this point, I'm just, oh, fine, fuck. I don't even want to think about it anymore. I'm done with it. I'm over it. I'm just mutexing this thing, okay? Until we're done with this thing, until I go off and figure out something else. Let's use, should we use the Tokyo mutex or the not one? I would have gone mutex a long time ago. I know, but I don't want to have a mutex. I don't want a mutex in a place that doesn't have a mutex. That would honestly be a bad thing. Let's see. Freezing stuff. He doesn't want to listen, bro. It's not that. Oh my goodness, shut the hell up! It's not that. It's that this is a dumb operation to mutex. If you have 8 threads plus and you're doing that, it's just going to suck butt. There's no reason to have a mutex here. When you're writing timings into an array, you don't need all that overhead. It should be as fast as offset right in. Right? This is the point. This is why there's benefits. Right? Dad's getting mad again. No, they just don't understand the reason why it sucks butt. Damn, I don't understand any of that. Unsafe cell is not a zero-cost mutex. Unsafe cell. Okay. Unsafe cell. You have to clone an unsafe cell, right? When you do a set or whatever it's called, right? There's the get and there's the set, right? Or is this not it? Am I confusing cell with cell? If I'm confusing cell with cell, then it's my bad. Unsafe cell 32, unsafe. Does unsafe cell implement send? It implements send, but it doesn't implement sync. So I can't send it without arcing it. Let's see. This is one of those times to hop on a Jono stream and ask him. He's streaming right now. Why not? And because I know it's a lockless queue, but underneath it takes. How are mutexes slow? It's not that mutexes are slow. It's when you have multiple threads attempting to grab the same mutex as fast as possible. Right? It makes it slow. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Mom, touch my spaghetti. Unsafe me, daddy.
Welcome to Costco.
Read, write, lock any better? If you're doing a bunch of reading and some writing, then yes. Lock for using atomics instead of mutexes. Problem is that legends use spin lock. Do they? Which legend? I'm not trying to be. Let's see. All right. So you're telling me arc unsafe, I guess.
Welcome to Costco.
Throw that in there. And so you're telling me that this, on the other hand, what is timings? Timings is an arc unsafe cell. So when I do a get, what do I get out of here? Get mute, get unchecked mute, get many mutes. Oh, what's that? Let's see. This borrows unsafe immutably at compile time, which guarantees the process that. Well, no. Are you saying get mute here? Is that the one? Are you asking me to use get mute? Why not just return the duration from the future?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
This man's a genius. This man is an effing genius. And I'm a stupid man. You know what? Screw all of you guys. This man is a genius. Make me feel all stupid. You know, when you say it like that, feel dumb, but now I feel less dumb. Feel less dumb. This guy's over here just being a smart ass all of a sudden. And I don't have to. Do I have to await it? See, I don't. Oh, do I have to do this? And then I can go iter filter map x x. Wait. Right? Yeah. What's your deal? What's your deal? Cannot move x out of which is behind. Oh wait. Into iter. There we go. All right. You are not that guy, pal. Do you use any formatters in NeoVim? Yeah, I use them when I want to. The unsafe cell dude is in shambles right now. He's in shambles. Damn. All right, so there we go. That should be all the timings. And we should also know how many other things are going on. So I should now be able to just go like this. Let's go. 3. Do we want to do that? Let's
Welcome to Costco.
Go in here. Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. Yap, that one. Go in here. Go, let's see, results dot CSV. Or no, let's just go results. And do that, and go file. Hit him with the file. Bam, 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 bam. Hit him with the file. Why not? We're destructuring that whole thing. Didn't use any of this stuff. We'll figure it out. 6 up. I guess I don't need parallel, technically. Is it 2 dots? Is that how you do it? Do I not use count? Where's the count at? Oh, jeez. There we go. I really liked that last song. Did you guys really like that last song? Look at that syntax. It's good syntax, Rust. Every line is production ready. Kind of ugly, not gonna lie. I don't know. That looks kind of nice. I don't really like using a bunch of that. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna go like this.
I love you.
Fs dot right. What is it? It's gonna be format. Go like this. Let's go. Let's see. Result. Let's see. Timings. There we go. File. And I always get that wrong. For whatever reason, I have yet to be able to get that right. So there we go. That's the file. And then we're going to go timings. Is there a join? Yeah. Yes. Yes, there is a join. All right, there we go. What is this? Who are you, LL Cool Chris? Another rating party of 87. I'm pretty sure that's the exact same number as last time. What are the chances? What are the chances? I need F strings in tribal box and stable immediately. Dang. Hey, Cool Chris, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Why doesn't that work? I thought that thing could... Oh, it's a join. Do I have to, like, collect? No, I shouldn't have to collect string, right? Dude, do I not know how to use a join? It was 78. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Can I get a Tokyo? Tokyo! You're welcome. Let's see. Vec, usize. Let's see. Join. There we go. Am I missing? Join return string. It's supposed to, but what am I missing? I'm missing something. Some things on the wing. Where's my join? Where's my join? Where's my join? Join. Let's see. I wasn't able to get the let's see, join operator. Left pad 1. You're joining integers with strings. Do I have to two-string it? Are you? This is so. That was my question. Is I'm gonna have to go like this. Map x x. Let's see. Two-string, because it definitely does that. Does that make you happy? I think that should make you happy. Join not found on inner map. Oh no. Dang it. Now it's like, just get inner tools, dog. Just get inner tools. Shut up. I don't want inner tools. I don't want yitter tools. Yitter tools. Yeah. Okay. We're going to collect you into a string, but I need a separator. I need to collect into a vec of string, right? Oh my goodness. This is just turning out disgusting. I hate myself. Timings equals... What are you doing now? Just hating myself. Why? What are you doing? Because I needed it as a vec string because I need to be able to join it with a new line. Which that doesn't seem right. That doesn't make me happy. I'm not happy right now. Is anyone happy? Am I doing this stupid? Why don't I have iter tools? I don't want iter tools. Okay? Stop getting me to do iter tools. Okay? I don't want your iter tools. Load. Ordering. What are you? Relax. There you go. Wait. ¿Por qué, Maria? Wait, why is this a ref? Wait, what? Wait, I thought you'd be a usize coming out here. Let usize, or let success equals... Why is this not a usize? Man, I am off today. Sorry, chat, I know I should be looking at you. I'm sure you guys are giving me the answer, but I don't want to. You know what I mean? Have you ever, like, not wanted to? Yeah, it's happening right now. Oh, was it just that? Am I just that stupid? It's just two string, isn't it? It's just, I'm just that stupid. Hi, there's a lot of live coding over here. From time to time, there's some live coding over here. It's not always live coding, but, you know, it has been. My name is Antilla Cox. Antalla Cox. Stupid two-string 2x. All right, is that good enough? Probably not, but nice dorker. What is it? It's PQ? Yeah, dude, I know that. Get him out. Look at that. Atomic ordering relax makes me nervous. Why? Why are you even using Rush? Just dish that and use Lua, and you're set. I'm not going to use Lua, but I do want to learn. Let's see. I do want to get good at Zig. That's like my goal, is to zig. To zig super fast. Setting an alarm to leave. It actually, we just got done doing both contents, right? We did this. This is all we've done. Look at this. See, we've done things on here. Look at that. See, we've done a bunch of things on here. You just weren't there. CC features, suck it, Travi. All right, there we go. I feel like that's good. Do one of those. Hit him with one of those. Hit him with one of those. Hit him with one of those. Do that. Do a little bit of cleanup. CC feature. Chore. Clean up unused references and suck it, Travi. Okay, boom. I'll give him two V's. Git push. Give him 2 Vs, okay? Garbage dot collected. Zigzag. Zigzag, motherfucker! Yeah. You inspired this PR. Be proud. Thank you. Wow, I really made that side ice. I do Rust when I need to empty my nuts. What do we do, Karen? What do we do? Okay. I'm not sure which one is more of a Chad move. One saying Rust makes you cool, more likely to procreate, or B, throwing his little ThinkPad out the window. I'm not sure which one makes me more of a Chad right now. I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place right now, Karen. I need your guidance as resourcing human lady. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We're open, JDK. May God have mercy on your soul. All right, so there we go. So we have all this crap. Let's go Docker build. Okay, we're copying way too much. Docker ignore node modules target. All right, there we go. Copying done.
Welcome to
Know
Costco.
your copies, people.
I love you.
Umatezula. Thank you. Have you ever tried Skull at all? No. Still wondering when he's going to coding and why he's stream tagged as a VTuber. Kind of sucks, huh? CPP23 is kind of cool for these things. Oh, really? Dude, I can't wait to use... Dude, CPP23 is going to be so amazing in 2030 when they finally implement... Oh, man, it's going to be so good. I'm just going to be so pumped up about it. We're gonna just be just loving it. We're going to be using it. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. It's going to be a great time. I can feel it coming. In about 7 to 8 years, it'll be great. Today, though, no. It's cloudy today. I'm kind of sad, but your streams make me happy. Nice. No. It's still so dated. It's still yeah. Docker, run me, daddy. All right, suck me last. I can't believe I'm saying that. Let's see. What happens if I just release this into the wild? Release it into the wild. Year of CPB will be the year of the Linux desktop. It's true. Do you think we have any mean? Do you think anyone's upset about my tweet? Let's find out. Let's find out how many people don't actually know who I am. You're acquiring the semaphore handles inside of Spawn, so you won't be able to rate limit properly. Am I? Thank you. Thank you. You're absolutely right. Let's find out. Okay, I'll never be a senior dev now. Nice. All right, found the L. Got it, L. Nice, big L, like 64 rem L. Is this a subtweet? Nope. What about that? Nope. Oh, here we go. I'll typically check for an early exec edition, so I don't need a lot of nested code. Does it really speed up anything? He doesn't realize the shit talking. He doesn't realize what shit posting is. You know what I mean? Okay. You just got... Wait, did I already do that? Did we already run? Look at that. It ran and we're not even paying attention. We're off here just having a great time, not thinking about nothing. And it's off just doing stuff. How ridiculous is that? How ridiculous was that? One thing we didn't do though, is that we do, before we send this thing off, let's see, we do need to do more than this. I need to be able to set the headers. You know what I mean? I need some headers in this bad boy. Oh, that's not the right way. You know what I mean? Let request equals, paste this out, drop that await. Let's see, request.await, there we go. Let's see, what else do we need? Oh, we don't want that there. Headers, header. It's accept encoding should be doing something. What should you be doing? It's accept encoding gzip, baby. Oh yeah, we got that first try. Oh, we got that. Why was the semaphore moved out of the spawn? Because, or else we would spawn all the threads, and then we would wait inside the spawn. So you don't want that. You want to prevent the spawning of the threads until the semaphore is ready. That way we don't get like a million green threads. You know what I mean? I think I fell for your Twitter troll about declarative programming being bad. Did you? Did you? Or was that a troll? All right, there we go. So we got that one. So now I should be able just to PQ, Docker, kill, do that. And so now we should be able to do this. Do you think web components are any good? I don't know, man. To tell you the truth, I don't do a lot of web components. You know what I mean? Linode.com. Warren Buff. Ooh, I love Warren Buffering. He is the funniest man. I did see this. I did see that. That's a great one. But hold on. Oh, shoot. I've gone on too long. A new MySQL library just dropped for CPP. It's called CMyPP. Yeah, CMyPP. Yeah, how is it? Is it pretty good? Does it feel good? Is it good or is it just like okay? Is it like good or is it okay? Is it like, what does it look like? How does one CPP properly? All right, before we keep on going, I wanted to look at this. All right. Are you guys ready to do this?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Are you guys ready to do this? I don't tell you how to do your own beginner projects. Again, we've already answered this. Hey, it's a marker. This is a marker. Look at the shitty setup. Look at this setup is. All right, there we go. That's a marker, okay? Node and Rust, friendship forever, the NAPI-RS way. I'm a nudist. I see plenty of... Can't believe I read that out loud. It's no secret that Node.js solutions are not so performative. That's a new word for me. Especially if we consider a solution with a bunch of synchronous operations or vice versa. We work with tricky multi-thread solutions. A good example is image processing or Cypher. Despite some performance issues, Node.js retains its reputation as a mainstream. Moreover, Node.js tries to be more flexible. A powerful Node.js add-on functionality allows developers to write some Node.js functionalities on C++. Node.js with Rust became popular last time. I meant this technique because I will discuss Rust programming language integration with Node.js. Why Rust? It's a good question. I want to provide some essential facts regarding Rust briefly. This is my favorite part about Rust, is that you first get to tell people why they don't understand how great Rust is. Memory safe approach, preventing memory leaks. Boom! Actually, it doesn't technically prevent memory leaks always. Type safe, syntax control. Not sure what that even means. No data races. This is great. Issues owning to concurrency management. Programs are compiled. No. Okay, so when they say no data race, they mean you can't read and write to the same location, but you can still most certainly program in generalized race conditions. If you're doing multiple requests for something and you need a value at the end and you goof it up because you weren't expecting a certain order, that's still a race. Even though that's like, I always have a hard time calling that a race condition, but it is a condition based on race. Programs are compiled in a ahead of time manner. Utilize and promotes zero cost abstractions. Oh, It's my favorite phrase. That's my favorite. See that? That's an iterator. Zero cost abstraction. No resource consuming garbage collectors. No JIT compilers. No virtual machine. A minimal runtime and memory footprint. Very good dependency management tool. Helpful compiler errors with clear and doable recommendations. Apart from that, Rust is multi-threaded friendly and it has much simpler syntax compared with C, C++. Absolutely. You can find this regarding, resource. It's easy to see that Rust integration described above is a bit difficult. Fortunately, evolution does not come to a halt. Today, I'm glad to introduce to you a new animal to our technological zoo. Meet NAPI-RS. NAPI-RS is a framework for building pre-compiled Node.js add-ons in Rust. You guys ready for this? Are you guys ready to build, to look at this, to look at it? Would you want to look at it? I bet you do. Of course, the article aims to introduce you. So how would you say this word? I always say NAPI, but is it NAPI? Is it NAPI? Is it NAPI? I never know how to say this. As the easiest way to integrate Node.js with Rust. The best way to do it is to provide NAPI, 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 NEP-ALM. The best way to do this is to provide more complicated example than a standard one. I will provide a Node.js application that gets a file, uploads it, and transforms it afterwards. Let's say it is reducing the saturation. The image operation above should be provided on the Rust side. But before that, let's try some standard functionality. Package template. First, you need to install Rust. Done. Second, I recommend creating a new project with the following template. Okay, blah, 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 blah. The Rust part. All right. Contains all the information you need. All right, what are we getting here? So here we go. Deny Clippy all. I always deny Clippy. So, okay, so cool. So you can actually get this little nappy thing. You can throw this on a function, and I assume this is retrievable now from Node.js, right? It's obvious to see the package on and the other JS stuff because we are talking about Rust and Node.js integration. Contains dependencies like NAPI-RS CLI that allow you to build solutions. Also pay attention to the following files. Index. Okay. Look at that. A native binding. But what's the native binding? I just want to see that. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to jump in and we're gonna have to look at it really quickly. I do want to see what all this is about. Wait, how did I get here? I don't want to install Rust. I'm joking. I don't want to install Rust. We don't want to go to file, index. Where's the native binding? Where's this so-called native binding? That doesn't, this doesn't feel fun. Native binding. All right. Okay. Well, it's that easy. It's that simple. Okay, so sure, there might be something. Maybe we could, maybe we could come up with something where we could name this all the same thing. Maybe, and figure maybe we could figure out something that's a little bit better here. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't understand a lot of these requirements here, so maybe there's like an easier way to do this. You know what I mean? Maybe I don't want NAPI-RS anymore. Yeah, maybe not. That doesn't look like a W right now. All right. Do you remember Rust plus 100 definition above? No. These lines precisely represent a bridge between Rust and Node.js. Okay, contains, oh, nice. It does a little, oh, look at that. It does a little, okay. Look at that, little TypeScript generation. I like it. Important note, you shouldn't edit the files above. They are auto-generated and changed every time Rust definition. Okay. Simple test. The following code illustrates how to run Rust definition or defined function. All right, so we get it. We run it, and that's that. Okay, let's do some image processing. Okay, so we grab these things. We do this whole blah, 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 the Rust stuff. We add image. We throw in a generic view, pixels, do that, darker, file name, saturation, hit them with an image, hit them with the dimensions. What's the return value? Oh, there is no return value. What happens when expect? What do you think happens when expect doesn't work? Like, does it throw an error or does it like crash the whole node experience? Good questions here. I would assume that something like result should be returned if you wish to throw. Right? This on the the dimensions, right? It seems like a panic, right? let's see, applies this. Okay, so we build it. As a result, we get index. Okay, we get a new index, all this. And so now we get a darker. Okay, this is pretty cool. And now we can actually take a file and change it. Awesome. I mean, this is actually pretty cool. This could be a pretty, I'm just saying, this could be pretty cool if it integrates with the result object and anyhow, and I can like do stuff awesomely. This sounds actually pretty cool. Okay, or run the commands below if you want to reproduce the steps. Okay, do all that stuff, and look at that. Why is there alpha in this one? There's alpha in this one, but not in that one. Weird. I thought we just made it darker. I thought we were just desaturating it. Does Node have any kind of panic? It should throw. Our Rust part is ready, and it's time to implement a web application. All right. All right. I love as a service. The final stitches. All right, let's go. Make storage folder under the root. Okay, let's do that. Server, yes, yes. This all looks good. Hit him with Express. Funny enough, use the slowest web framework in addition to Rust. That's the power of Rust, okay? It even takes the slow. Make it fast. Remember that, kids. Makes it fast. Makes it fast. All right, so there we go. Bunch of no one cares about Express crap. There we go. Read dir does all this. Stat sync, get time, render, upload. Okay, uploads. Blah 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 blah. Where's the darker thing? Darker, 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 darker. All right, darker. All right, so let's see. File, move, file path, if error. Oh, so it does try catch it. So I guess it does a try catch. So if Rust panics, it must capture that? How does that work? To me, that makes me think it's like spawning a process to do stuff. Is that what's happening? That can't be what's happening. That can't be what's happening. Right? Well, I do want to play with this now. This actually looks pretty cool. Okay, add a little start. Yep, I don't want to explain many of the solutions above because it's obvious for Node.js folks. Yep, there's just 2 points. Endpoints, upload and slash. Slash provides an upload form and a list of uploaded desaturated images. Uploads an image. Nice. Also, please look at the desaturation. All right, exciting, yep. The fact that we take a saturation value from a request as a number, it is a number, but it can add some interesting things. Did you know that if you don't provide a saturation or an empty string saturation, that will become a 0? One of the benefits of using plus. It only nans sometimes. Not all the times. It's like, hey, which crazy version do you want? Do you want parseInt, which is crazy, or do you want number casting, which is also crazy? You're probably thinking, what do you mean crazy? Well, let me show you. Okay, look at this. That becomes 0. That's crazy. 69 foo, that is a nan. That's not crazy. ParseInt, that's crazy, right? So what kind of crazy do you want with integers? I don't know. I don't know what you want, but you can choose what you want, and then you can be happy or sad about it. I don't know, okay? They both suck. You know what I mean? They both aren't awesome. None of them make me happy. Yeah. You did not know that? Yeah, it's a little fun fact. But parseInt, that does give a nan. So, like, you can nan a, you know what I mean? Like, it could happen. Pick your poison. So if you really want a proper number function, you actually need to use these both in conjunction, or you have to check for the empty string if you want to use the plus. You know what I mean? But then if you use parseInt, you also have to check for that. Technically not a number. Technically, number is not a number, because if you think about the IEEE 754-1986 specification, not a number is a valid representation in a 64-byte or 64-bit floating. You're like, thanks for saying that's a number. I think we're all very happy about it now. Thanks, bro. Stop bullying JavaScript. Yeah. Storage. Okay, so let's do this one. So I don't know if we need to really look at anything else, but this is actually pretty exciting. I'd say in general, I really do want to play with this, because this is something that is like, it's actually kind of cool. The fact that you can just desaturate like that, even though the whole the whole alpha being messed up kind of it feels wonky, but nonetheless, this will be really fun to play around with. I think we should play around with this at some point. I would love to see, what can you do in Rust? Like, at what point is doing something in Rust great or not great? How expensive is the bridge? Because there is like some real huge use cases. Like right now I have this huge problem with memory right now. And so you could imagine that if I could just send objects across a bridge into Rust and actually do an aggregation of data in Rust and not in TypeScript, I theoretically could make something that's both fast and uses low memory, because the representation hopefully remains in bytes instead of that. But we'll see. I don't know if it's actually any good. It could be. You know what I mean? Rusty Bridge seems really bad. Yeah, I assume a Rusty Bridge seems really bad, but is it? I don't even know. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just a thought. Just a thought I have. Anywho, kind of cool. The name is the Prime Engine. Hey, the name's the Prime Engine. There you go, people. You like that? I liked it. I liked that. I liked it. Okay? But real talk, it's a Saturday, and I'm going to go play with my kids now. Okay? 2-hour stream is all I want. JavaScript is versatile. And friendly. Is it? I don't believe you. I honestly don't believe you.
Welcome to Costco.
Okay.
I love you.
When you say JavaScript is versatile and friendly,
Welcome to Costco.
you just haven't programmed enough JavaScript, okay? When I hear people talk, like, if you talk about really, truly, if you just absolutely love a language and you think it's the best, it just means you've done too much of it. That's all it means. On Bay 55, thank you very much for this delicious tier 1 count. Geiger, thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Appreciate that. Mad Dog for the follow and the brand new Twitch Prime. Hell yeah, brother. Mad Dog Wizard. Here's my sub. No problem. Instead of OnlyFans, Chief. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, that scared me. Yozo, thank you for the 50 gifted subs, but that scared me. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Many appreciation. That Loosemans, thank you very much. Leonidas, thank you very, very much.
I love you.
Pixel Fiddler, again, thank you for the resubscribed. And dude, Yozo, how dare you? Many appreciations. And Wally the Llama, let's go. Let's go. Tokyo! Many appreciations. I do see John Who. I do understand that John Who is on there. But I am thinking about what I want to do today. Because I kind of feel a little bit wonky right now. You know what I mean? I kind of feel like maybe I want to do something a little different. You know, maybe we want something different today. I don't know what is that. Why is this guy still looking at the drink? He's looking at the drink. He's looking at the drink. He's looking at the drink. He's looking at the drink, or it's not a drink. I'm not sure what he's even holding. It looks like he's holding a pitcher, but there's no way a man can hold a pitcher like that. Music, just chatting, tinklings. Star Wars Jedi Survivor. I've rated all these people recently. I feel like there's no one okay, we'll do Janu. I just wanted to make sure, because, you know, sometimes people go too fast into things, and then they don't raid, you know. They don't, you know, you don't just pick the first person, you know what I mean? Follower or subscriber mode only. Oh, that's too bad. I typically don't like to raid follower or subscriber only streams. You know, I like people being free. You know what I mean? Raid me, Daddy? No. No. Thanks for the very unusual stream. No problem. But I'm glad I wrote this, because now I'm going to go do some testing. I'm going to upload it to Linode, do some perf testing. The reason why I'm not going to do it on stream is you guys always just attack me and just DDoS me every time I create anything. Like, I literally can't create anything without getting DDoSed like wild. And so it's like, hey, what are you doing? Doesn't matter. We're going to DDoS it. I literally started an endpoint on Vercel, and it hit like 10,000 or 100,000 requests in 15 seconds. It's just like, I can't do anything with you guys. You guys are just ridiculous. Welcome to the internet. Get DOSed. I know, dude. I do. I get it nonstop. It's going to be on GitHub. Absolutely. Hey, thank you, everybody, for this. I appreciate it. I do want to get some sweet numbers out there. We'll see what happens, okay? Many appreciations. I hope everyone has a great day. You know what I mean? I hope you guys all have an amazing, beautiful day. Bye.